Alright, definitely got an observation going on here. We got the 300 Blackout Federal Fusion, 150 grain. Shooting at 100 yards. Here's the thing. Alright, you're looking at these two bullets. Both came out of that box. Both shot at 100 yards. The difference is this bullet hit a 1/4 inch board, gallon jug, 1/4 inch board, gallon jug, 4 1/4 inch boards with a gallon jug in between. So it went through 3 gallons of water and 4 1/4 inch bores as it's going. This one, on the other hand, hit a 1/2 inch board, a bag of flour, and a 1/4 inch board at 100 yards. I mean, that's a total different performance going on there. I mean, if you look at it, it's interesting because I figured it would have, you know, with the 1/4 inch bores, this would have still been doing something more like this, and it's not. That's just really, that's just the point of this video. I mean, there's the difference in expansion. We got roughly 0.41. And 0.56, somewhere in there. So, and then top to bottom, 5.8. And that one is obviously 6.8. Bigger. And the weight difference on these, both 150 grain bullets, is, this is the fascinating part. Okay, we're at 125 grains here. This bullet is folded over more right here, as you see. 125.8, 145.6. That's another mind thrower right there. Is that went through denser wood, went through the flour, and another piece of wood, and we got almost full retention. This one knocked 4 different boards and went through 3 water jugs, and we lost 25 grains, 24. And that we just lost 4.5, give or take. So that's interesting with popping those two both. I just wanted to show that because I caught that out there on the range when shooting. I was like, look how they form different. Because normally these do a lot better. They do like this all the time. This is like one of the few. This is the first time I did a trajectory test with this. And that's what I got, and I was just like, huh, maybe just something to show. So there, on the side note, just the difference. Thanks for watching.